Okay, so the toolbox is covered in the red, so now we're going to get down to some of the details here. I've got some black fondant rolled out into a strip, and what I want to do is, a lot of the toolboxes have the lining inside that are kind of textured, so I just have this, it's actually a clay texture mat from the local craft store, and I'm just going to place this on top of my black fondant and use the roller. And these, it's actually easier if you just slide the roller across rather than trying to actually roll it. And then move it down, and the same thing. Okay, it just kind of textures it a little bit. The guys will be, Dad will be really impressed with that. So this is to line the drawer, so I want to line the drawer that's open, which is this one. So a little bit about like the ruler, and then this is going to be open, so we need to line that also. But we'll start with the bottom. So we'll just cut this, and I don't think it needs to be any longer than the ruler, no, but just a little wider than the ruler. So you cut it here, and then we'll need a little bit of water. Let me pull this on over. A little bit of water in here to make it stick. And then cut off the end there. Okay, want that to right about there. We'll go ahead and take the scissors, cut that. Okay, and then we're going to do the top one, but before we get to that, there's actually two drawers here. So if we take a ruler and actually press in here, just to get a straight line going across, that will mark our two drawers. Okay, so mark it and then take the ruler and just kind of go back over it. There we go. Alrighty. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and roll out some more black for the top. And do the same thing up here. Okay, so now what I want to do is put some trim around the drawers. So I'll need my red again. So what I want to do is just make a cord of red. I'll cut that thicker part off at the end there. Let's see if this is going to go right in here. So we'll take some water. And go right from the bottom all the way up. And then cut it off here. And I just flatten it a little bit. It looks, that's where I had poked it earlier, so we'll just cover that with one of the tools or one of the cords or something. Okay, and I'll do the same on the other side, and also right down here in the front, and in the front up here.